Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 35. In this lesson, we're going to talk about being able to solve subtraction problems involving fives and doubles. So let's look at this. We have 9 minus 5. Now, we know in a subtraction problem that the whole is first. Or not first, the whole is always in front of the minus sign, right? So, looking at this, we know our whole is first. Our whole is 9. So we're going to draw a 5-group drawing to help us figure this out. So we're going to draw that whole first, which is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it says 9 minus 5. So we're going to take away 5. Well, since we do 5-group drawings, we know that one full row is 5. So we know that this is 5 because that's one full row. Then we're going to circle the rest. So that means our missing parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. That is it for this video.